was a score. Oh my gosh, I just put on the denim skirt.
Bought a new water bottle. They're just so cheap. So that's
Babe, look at how cool this water bottle is. Ready?
Oh.
Look.
Like a handle?
Yeah, it's called the Halo.
Like a ring light.
Isn't that so cool?
That is cool.
And it has the squishy straw. On today's episode of Matcha Going to Bed, he's being a little resilient today. Not really sure why, because we went on a nice long walk. But I've got a nice Crunchio right here, Matcha. All you have to do is go in the crate. Let's see how long it takes him to come over here. Go to bed. Seriously? Come on. Look, Matcha, come on. The drama is unreal. Go to bed. Come on. Go to bed. Good job. All that, seriously? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go back to school shopping. You may be wondering, Caroline, it's way too early. Are you crazy? Honestly, yeah, maybe I am crazy, but school never really ended for me. I've been doing summer classes all summer long. I leave in 2 days to go visit my long distance boyfriend. And so I'm gonna be gone for a minute. And by the time I come back, the ball is gonna be rolling, and before we know it, school's gonna be here. So today I'm gonna focus on getting a new pair of sneakers because your girl really needs some, possibly thrifting and getting some jeans, jean shorts. Currently right now, the Nordstrom anniversary sale is happening, and I'm kind of bummed because there is no Nordstrom near me. There's only a Nordstrom rack. I'm gonna wear flip-flops today. When I went to Rehoboth Beach in Delaware, I got this pair of rainbow sandals. Y'all, this is probably my new fixation and obsession. And I got the one with the little braided design, so it's absolutely perfect. Today isn't gonna be school supply shopping, it's mostly gonna be clothing. Unless I see a really cute school supply. We're gonna check out a couple of the best spots for back to school shopping, and first one is gonna be Dick's Sporting Goods. Okay, I'm gonna play a couple of my favorite songs. I've been obsessed with the artist Zach Top. He's a country singer. His songs are like a fusion of old George Strait and Rascal Flatts. I think that's the best way to describe him. There's the moon, and there's Rocky Mountain Heights. There's the moon, and there's you. I feel like updates are in order. Anytime I'm in the car, this is like the most ideal place to give them. New music coming soon, so get ready. Seriously, so excited for you guys to hear my new single coming out. It's been, I think, like 4 years since I released music online and just on all my music platforms. So yeah, get ready for that. If you're not already, follow my Instagram because I will probably post the pre-save link and just more info about it on there. While I was on FaceTime with my boyfriend earlier, I was going through my old jewelry. I keep all of it very organized in little baggies, and there's this bracelet that I got when I was born. It was from a Vietnamese jeweler, I think in San Jose, California, I want to say. And it's these jade little stars, and it is so precious. This is the first time I'm wearing it, and it just reminds me so much of my grandmother. Internships have been at the forefront of my mind. I'm currently in the works of applying to a company that I really am fond of and hope that I get this internship. I'm praying about it. It's gonna be in the fall semester that it takes place, but that also means that my workload is going to be very heavy. Being busy is always better than having nothing to do. So trying to remind myself that. Are y'all seeing the air quality right now? This is actually insane. You can barely even see the sky right now. So it's the next day and my package already arrived at my house. Look at how beautiful and perfect these On Cloud shoes are. Oh my gosh! I already did a walk this morning and worked out. I think the next time that I can use it will be tomorrow, but these are actually stunning, gorgeous, and they look so sleek. Very impressed, Dick's Sporting Goods. That one-day shipping, that's crazy. Second destination, Target. I really like the idea of this little laptop desk. Perfect for if you're like on the couch or in your bed. Okay, what I really want to find is kind of like those little bento boxes, because obviously I live alone, so I'm gonna meal prep. Wait, I love the fact that they have this whole college haul section. I've never seen this before. There's like storage stuff, building, organization. Wait, Target. %, getting these little organizers. I have clothes that I wear in the winter and I need to find a home. This is exactly what I was looking for. I'm so glad I found this. Never seen one that comes in like a salad container, but like how cute is this little bento box? It's got 4 different divisions. I think I have to get some. Oh wait, there's like a whole set. Hold on. I'm sorry, but I just don't think I can get behind this skirt trend. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I think I just found the cutest shirt from Levi's. Although this extra small is this fitting. This is so cute. I think I have to get it. You know what I am in full support of? Bringing back denim skirts. I'm gonna add this to the cart. Every time I get in the car, hand sanitizer goes on the hands. Dang it, I'm kind of bummed. That Levi's t-shirt that I was talking about, I really wanted it, but for some reason, whenever I would scan it, they couldn't find the actual product, and so I didn't get it. But it's okay, because I got that Levi's denim skirt, like the shorter one, not the long one, and it's so cute. Okay. I think I spent a total of $80, so I don't want to go too crazy because, like I said, this is early back to school shopping, and I bought those pair of white On Clouds from Dick's Sporting Goods, so I'm pretty happy with the back to school shopping that I did today. Those crates are going to be essential, especially for all of the organization of clothes that aren't in my summer wardrobe or fall wardrobe. I've already separated the clothes in my closet, folded them, and put them off to the side, but right now they don't have like a place to go, and so I'm really excited because they were $5 each, those crates. The most expensive thing was that skirt, and then the bento boxes were like $7, $8 a piece. Great successful haul at Target. Let's go home. Anyone else refuse to take multiple trips? I just put on the denim skirt that I got from Levi's, and it's actually perfect. I think I'm gonna take off the tags right now, but I just wanted to try it on to get a little general idea if I wanted to keep it or not. Along with only taking 1 trip from the car, I also hate trying things on in dressing rooms. I feel like whenever I do, I end up looking worse leaving than when I came in. Like my hair is all messed up. Plus it's just a hassle. So I like to try things on at home, and then if I don't end up liking it, then I'll just return it, obviously with the tags on. But I really like the way this fits. I feel like it fits well enough on the waist, but there's also a little bit of room. So let me know what you guys think. Also, the doorbell just rang, and I think my Lulu's package is here. This video is not sponsored. As you can tell, I'm literally showing all of my favorite brands in here, but I ordered a couple of tops that I want to show y'all. Ooh, here's the package. I think I'm also gonna run a dishwashing load and put my new bento boxes in it. I'm gonna sit down and we'll walk through this. So I only ended up getting 2 of them. There was a square one where you could fit a sandwich, but I figured I already have the reusable Ziploc bags. My mom got them for me when I first moved into the house, and so they're already in that square shape. But I didn't have any of these, not just stepping on the bag, but I didn't have any of the salad bento boxes, and that's why I think this is adorable. There's even a dressing cup that comes with it, which is perfect. Okay, wait, let's open it. Do you want to say hi to the camera? Looks like this. Let's open it and make sure all the snaps work. Also, this is microwave safe and BPA friendly, which I love. This little spot holds the dressing. This is so freaking cool. Oh my gosh, how cute. You can put your toppings in here like croutons, cucumbers, bell peppers, and then in here is where you put the actual salad. This is perfect. I have already taken a look at my schedule, and from teaching bar classes to going to having back-to-back college courses, it's gonna be long days that I'm at school, and so I definitely will be needing this because I need to make sure that I'm eating and hydrating and fueling my body during all of this. And then the second one I got is called Divided Bento. These are so nice because you don't have to hand wash them. You just stick it in the dishwasher and it does all the work for you. So we've got 3 compartments at the top and then a big space at the bottom. I honestly could put the sandwich in here. I'm glad that I didn't get that third one because I don't think I need that. Let's go put these in the dishwasher, light a candle, eat some lunch, and then I'll unbox my Lulu's haul for you guys. Who's ready for an online clothing haul? Let's get into it. All of the clothing pieces are gonna be tops from Lulu's. I'm very particular when it comes to the brand of jeans and shorts and just bottoms in general. So I like to go online to like the boutique shops and get tops, and the sizing I know will be the same for all of that, but for bottoms, I'm very particular, hence why I got the Levi's. And there's a mix of things that I can wear when I first go back and it's hot outside, and then when it gets cooler in the fall and winter. So first off, we've got this little bodysuit. I saw the back of this online. It's this open back, beautiful, kind of like square cut. Oh my gosh. Yeah, added that to cart really quickly. Looks like this, and I tried it on, fits perfectly. I will not be returning this. Next top I got, this one is kind of perfect for fall time. It's very preppy with the red and blue stripes. It just screams American, which I love. And it looks like this. It's just a little nice crochet sweater. I mean, I could even throw it over something like this in the winter and use this as like a cardigan jacket. Next top, I was thinking already ahead into fall during pumpkin patch season time. This top paired with some flare jeans, maybe some cowgirl boots. Oh my gosh, plus the little bows at the top. I mean, are you kidding me? Yeah, this was a score from Lulu's. And then the last top, I only ended up getting 4 tops from Lulu's, but the last one is this off the shoulder, very preppy sailor vibe. But I also really like how classy it is. I think off the shoulder tops that have this kind of double thick material right here look very classy. I also love the fact that it's double lined right here because it ensures that nothing slips, which is very important if you're a female. But yeah, so those are the 4 tops I got. And I wanted to qualify for free shipping, so I added like 2 more items in there that were really easy, and that was just 2 pieces of jewelry. So the first one is this pair of earrings. Hold on, we're caught in a little, okay, perfect. These little purple earrings, the little stones sit on a gold platform, and I think it's just the most delicate, beautiful thing ever. Plus, I don't own earrings that are super long. I feel like I usually gravitate towards pearls or little hoops, but this is always fun to dress up any outfit. And then the last thing I got, this little stack necklace. This one is not in gold, this one's actually in silver. Hold on, she's tangled. No, untangle. There's little diamond stones on it. And this is a necklace that I would 100% wear with an outfit like the one that I put on today, or even to wear to a wedding. Especially stacked necklaces like this are just so beautiful. Like I mentioned earlier, the video is not sponsored, but because I've worked with Lulu's in the past, I think I have a discount code. I don't remember off the top of my head, but while I'm editing this, I'll put it on the screen for you guys, and I'll link everything that I got today from the items at Target, my new On Cloud tennies, and then the items that I showed from Lulu's. But if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit subscribe down below. I'm so happy that you guys are here and wanted to come back to school shopping with me. I know it's a little early. I can't wait for all of the back to school content that rolls around soon. It's always my favorite time of the year, and I can't believe that I'm gonna be a junior in college. Like, what? Anyways, I hope you'll have a fabulous day. Go and do something nice for somebody else, and I will see y'all in the next video. Ciao!
Just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medicine.